Good morning. Bright and early morning. I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nana's Hidden Apron. We're going to make some cookies. We're going to make candy. We're going to make bread. We're going to do that all week. But right now, we're working on truffles. Here is the truffles I'm going to make. I'm actually going to be using, not your standard Oreos. I'm going to use carrot cake Oreos along with cream cheese. I'm going to get these mixed up. I'm going to put them in some balls, make them into balls and put them on a covered tray, parchment paper covered tray. Stick them in the fridge for about 30 minutes to get them to solid up a little bit, and then I am going to dip them in these. Can you see that? Pumpkin spice candy melts. Not chocolate, not white chocolate. We're going to spice this up holiday style. So I'm going to get these done. Y'all don't want to hear all that, so I'll be back with you in just a minute. Okay, there we go, crumbled up. Reserve some for sprinkling on the top. Now I'm going to put this in there. Once again, I'm going to put y'all on pause because you don't want to hear all that noise, I know it. Be right back. Okay, and again, I'm going to use my smallest scoop to get these out and onto the pan. Once I do this, I'm going to stick this in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. So they'll firm up. So we can dip them in this melted, in these candy melts. I'm only going to use a cup of the candy melts to start out with. And then you can always add some cooking oil to them. A tablespoon of cooking oil to help thin out the cooking oil. Always do that. Or you can put, you can put Crisco in it if you want to. That one wasn't as big, was it? Oh well, somebody got shortchanged. Okay, well, let me finish these and I'll be right back. Okay. Situation. Unfortunately, my pumpkin spice candy melts are no good. I'm going to take them back to the store, probably just get a refund, and I'm going to go ahead and use, the white chocolate. White chocolate chips, I'm going to melt them. What can I say? Sorry about that. Hello. Real life things, that's how it goes. Still waiting for these to come out of the fridge. And when they do, I'll be right back with you. Alright. Now, back to the story. Okay. I have my chocolate melted. And I did go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of oil, vegetable oil, to this. So that we'll get it's thinner. It really helps it out. This is actually something that came from, the little donut makers. This comes in real handy with dipping chocolates and stuff. So, let's go ahead and get this started. I won't say that this is the easiest thing to do, because it is not, by far. I have a lot of trouble with this. My, Sorry, my filling is nice and cold, but I'm telling you, it just, I have trouble. I have trouble with this. I just really do, y'all. Help me, help me. You know what I think I might have to do? I think I might have to, yeah. I will be right back. I'm going to put me some more oil in that because it's still too thick. Be right back. All right. Let's give this another try. I went ahead and put my little sprinkles on the top there because you have to do it while your chocolate is still wet. You know, that's a little bit better, but still. You know, I've watched many YouTube videos trying to figure out the secret to this, and I still don't know what the secret is. I'm telling you I don't. But look, it's pretty. Pretty, huh? I'll have to get Tom to taste it when he gets home. See what he thinks about it. Yeah, he's at work today. Making them bucks so we can go on a cruise. We love to cruise. I think I've told y'all that before, though. We really do. I have a piece of the inside of a cookie, and I am going to stick it on there. Just like that. Yeah. I'm going to go ahead and get these finished up. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. I know you can't see over here in this cup, but I'm sorry. I have a small kitchen. What can I say? But all I'm doing is just dropping it down in there and rolling it around. And then I'm using my crumbles to try to hide all the errors of my ways when it comes to making these. Let me go ahead and finish these, y'all. I'll be right back. Alright. Still getting along with it here. Stir my chocolate. I had to heat it up again. It got a little... started to solidify on me. So we had to fix that problem. Y'all see what I'm doing right there? Drop them down in there and swoosh them all around. Swoosh, smoosh. We don't want to smoosh these. We just want to swoosh these. Uh-oh. Ooh, I think my chocolate's a little too hot right now. Running off of my truffles. By the way, this recipe that I'm using is from the Cookie Swap, which ended up more of being a cookie tasting and just take whatever you like, which was awesome. I really had an enjoyable time. But one of the ladies that you'll see on the vlog from the Cookie Swap brought Oreo Truffles. And I have a copy of the recipe that she gave me. So I took that and adapted my own. Yeah. I like carrot cake. And I saw these, you know, they're the limited edition ones, and I was like, you know, why don't I do something a little bit different instead of, I was going to do peppermint, what I was actually going to do. But I was like, why don't I just do something a little bit different instead of peppermint? Why don't I just go with carrot cake? We like carrot cake, so why not? And I did. And there you have it. There you have it. How about that? Pretty, aren't they? Again, I'll have to get Tom to taste them after he gets home. I'm trying to be careful with what I'm eating here, y'all. I have swelled up like a balloon. Look at that. Oh, yes. Yes, yes. Okay. Well, that is my carrot cake Oreo truffles with one small disaster, but we're good now. Look at that. They're pretty. I bet they taste good. I am so close to wanting to taste one of these, but I won't. What I'm going to do, though, is set them back in the refrigerator so they'll go ahead and finish getting firmed up. Then I'm going to put them in some pretty little cups, put them on a pretty little plate, wrap it up, wait for Christmas Day. Tell you what I did. I was telling you all about my grandmother's divinity. She called it seafoam candy. I've got the recipe. Got the recipe. We're going to make it. It's cool. It's a cool day here. You have to make it when it's nice and cool. So, we're going to try it. I've only made it one other time that it turned out right. We're going to make it. I'll be back with y'all soon. Oh, by the way, sorry about that. I want to thank all of my new subscribers, as well as all of you that's been sticking around with me. I want to thank everyone that views my vlogs. I really do appreciate it. It helps me out a lot with YouTube when you view my vlogs. I do hope that you will subscribe. If you like my content, I hope you'll subscribe. Click the subscribe button. And then there's going to be a little dinner bell pop up in this area. You know, boom. I need you to, if you want to get notifications of any time I put something new on, click that dinner bell. And give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up if you like my vlogs. I appreciate your suggestions too. I'm getting a lot of suggestions on my gnomes. Some of the stuff I've tried, some of the stuff I knew I should have done, but I just didn't take the time to get all my supplies together. But I still think they turned out adorable. I think you guys do too. Alright. See you in my next vlog. Take care. Have a good evening.